Morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 17e, and let me show you how to activate emoji wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and mark Add New Wallpaper. And here you can either pick emoji here or here. Pick the one that you want to apply, or you can pick the layout here. As you can see, you've got several options. Let me stay with dynamic, then mark add and click on set as wallpaper. From now on, okay, so we have blur, home screen, but definitely on lock screen it would be active. But you can also pick your own emojis, so just mark me add wallpaper, emoji wallpaper, and now pick the emojis that you want to have on screen. What can we add to this one? And maybe a sun. So that's it. Now go back here. You can add up to 6 emojis and then pick the layout. Let me go with this one, with the grid one, mark done. Customize home screen if you don't want to have it blur. Obviously you can add some gradient here, color, whatever you want, but I'll go with pair and mark done. As you can see, it is already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.